In this video, how to fix Legends of Legends Vanguard error Van 185. Okay, first we need to go to our Task Manager and go to our startup apps, and you can see the real client services should be enabled, and the VG tray it also should be enabled. Make sure this both should be in enable mode. Okay, so after go back and you now go to services, type services, and click the services settings, and this menu will appear. In this, you need to scroll down and you need to go for VGC. Yes, right click and go to properties, and here you can see the automatic is that automatic, but it should be in stopped. No, it should be in running mode. So make sure the service status should be in running mode. Okay, and service type startup type. Okay, should be in automatic. Okay, and after come back, and here you can see the your client is starting to right click and go to properties, and make sure go to compatibility. The run the program as administrator should be turned on, and disable full screen mode should be in turned off mode. Okay, after click apply and okay, and go to settings and go to Windows update. Sometimes Windows up to date also causes error, so some files will be installed and pending, so that's why sometimes causes error. So make sure your Windows update will be up to date and install the pending items and clear it. Okay, then after go to control panel. Once check it, if none of the things not working, then go to control panel. Yes, and go to program and uninstall a program is that. Click it, and here you can see scroll down and you can see the Riot Vanguard is that. You need to uninstall the Riot Vanguard because don't panic. If uninstall the Riot Vanguard, there nothing will happen. If you once open your game, it will automatically reinstall. So your games nothing will be deleted. Okay, so uninstall Riot Vanguard. Okay, thank you.